Okay, so I have decided that as a photographer and filmmaker, I needed to add to my kit something that I've been wanting for a while, and I decided today was the day that I was gonna pull the trigger and buy this thing. So as of today, I've decided I want to invest in a drone. So I got the DJI Mini 2, and here is me unboxing it. First of all, I think it's beautiful. It's nicely wrapped. So I'm gonna take my little pocket knife here and just cut a little slit in here. Try to do it with one hand. I'm definitely have to invest in a portable camera holder, but here we go. Okay, so you guys are gonna do this unboxing with me. I don't have a way to hold my phone, so I gotta do it with one hand. So this will be interesting. You can tell I'm definitely new to the unboxing thing, but here we go. So I'm gonna unbox it here. And, ooh, there's a case. Ooh, it all comes in a case. Anything else on the box? Nope, box is empty. So it comes in this beautiful case, which I like. It's black with a nice little strap on it, 2 side handles. Okay, let me flip the camera over so you guys can see. Hold on. So there's the box, the nice case. I think it's beautiful. Now, there's some zippers here. We got to look at that. Sorry, I'm moving the camera a lot. You can comment about how bad my video is with being shaky, but this is kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Get that zip there. We open it. Okay. Now comes the unboxing part. Okay, so the very first thing here on the left is the actual drone. Look how beautiful that is. There's the camera, and you got the blades up there. I mean, this thing is small. My friend Ken had one similar, and it was small, but it took amazing drone videos. And this thing is beautiful, and since I travel a lot, this will be nice. And it's compact, which I like. And then, which is good because I can pull it out. And then, ooh, this is a control panel. I'm excited. I gotta do this with one hand. I'm gonna put 2 dies down here. You guys can watch me unbox here. Look at that, sleek. Little controls. There's probably little controls in here somewhere, but that's kind of cool. Boop, 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 boop. Take videos. That's kind of exciting. So much I gotta learn. And then there's another box here. Let's get this out of the way. And in this box you have a plug. And then you have this. I gotta look at all the instructions, but that's kind of cool. I'm assuming it's to charge things. Actual charger. And then you have what I can only imagine is a battery. Oh yeah, no, look at this. Batteries. Little battery charge. That's cool. This comes with a lot of fun stuff. So yeah, there you go. That's my unboxing video of my new DJI Mini 2. Here comes the fun part. I have to learn how to use it now. So I will do a follow-up video later of me learning how to be a drone operator.